Come on, guys, join me as we renovate or revamp a few pieces and portions of my home here. Okay, do me a favor, if you're here and if you're subscribing to me, let me first of all say thank you. I don't take you guys for granted. I apologize. It's been a while since I've done a vlog, but the rain here has just been unstoppable. Internet has been ridiculous. I spoke about that, guys. I'm going to share that with you in my next video, which will probably be today. I'm going to try and shoot it while I'm out here and it's not raining. But if you would, guys, like my content, please hit that like and subscribe button up there, down there, wherever it is that comes across the screen, so you guys get notified when Billy P is dropping one of these vlogs. Again, video today, guys, we're vlogging my renovation of my home. And my next video to follow this will be, like I said, the internet, my internet experience here. Oh my gosh, wait till I tell you guys. That being said, let's hit it. Boom. Good morning, my Yan Boon Tag, my crew. Happy Thursday, everybody. Coming to you from the Philippines. If you can see right here behind me, we are getting ready to redo our second bedroom in my studio. One of the things that I made a mistake on when we actually built this is I went with, and I was in a rush doing it, so I didn't think. So all you foreigners that are coming here and you're planning on building, make sure you use top grade stuff. Meaning, I think the wood here is called marine. Is that right, babe? It's called marine? The top grade wood here is called marine. And anything wood here, guys, you can pretty much expect termites, ants, just about everything. But today I've got these guys. We're going to replace everything with concrete, hollow blocks, the whole nine. We're going to just redo all of this. And they're here this morning now taking it down. I'm going to zoom around and let you guys see it. Again, for all you foreigners that are coming here to build, make sure if you're going to use high quality wood, make sure that it's high quality wood. Hang on. As I said, this is the front part of the house, and this is after, I think, we had 6 months. You can see the damage here just from the weather. The ants are living here, the termites are living here, and this is our bedroom. So all of that's coming out. We're going to replace it with some hollow blocks, concrete. We got a stack of concrete sitting over here, right over there. I'll walk you guys out to my hollow block stack as well. We're doing some laundry here today too. Again, always got my trusted crew with me, my girls. Say hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Hello. Anyway, my crew is always here with me. Take you guys out. So as you can see here, this is a stack of the hollow blocks we're going to be using, we're going to be replacing with. And these are high-grade hollow blocks. I forget the name of them. And this is just a stack of a few that we're using. I'm sure I'm going to have to probably order another 200, 250. And this is the sand and gravel that we're going to be using to mix everything with in order to replace everything up on the front part of the house there. The wall here we just painted, but it looks like we're going to have to redo that again as well. This wall goes all the way around to the back side there, and that's the rest part of the house. But our plan is to also, we've got a second story coming here. We're going to put a second story on top of this side of the house. It's going to be for my daughter's bedroom at some point in time as she grows up. But again, guys, if you're building, keep in mind that it's got to be high grade stuff, and you have to be here, or you have to be there on the money while they're working, because you want to make sure that the money that you're spending is money well worth spending. So stick with me. My little one and I are sharing breakfast while they're working on the house here. Excuse me, it's very hot here. But this is our bedroom, and this is what I was telling you guys. They're just tearing everything out so we can go on with the hollow blocks here. I'm going to turn around and show you guys. Baby, it's okay. And what they're doing is knocking all of that out there. We're going to replace all of that like we did on this side, all hollow block. I just wish I'd have thought of this when we started this. And like I said, it was right after Typhoon Odette. We were just trying to get everything done, get our house put back together, and I rushed without thinking. So hard lesson learned. Wasted a lot of money. You can see the ants, the termites. Wood here is just like no. Make sure you buy marine or something even better when you're building here in the Philippines, because wood is just not gonna last. Okay, peace. So basically what this is, it's all contract work. Hired these guys for a set fee. There's 4 of them total. And like I said, we're replacing all of that with hollow block on the front side. We've already done the back side and the right side here. And we're gonna do all of this up front here, all of that. And then we're gonna enclose what you see down below there as well. Kind of excited about that because that's definitely going to be a lot better from the standpoint of our air conditioner and our electricity. So excited about that. Stay with me, guys. Okay, this shouldn't take them. Hell, it shouldn't take them 5 days to do all of this because it's only just this front part. Okay, see you in a bit. Just want to show you guys what I'm talking about as far as like all the crap that money that we wasted. Look at that. That's after only 6 months. The ants, termites, I mean, they've just eaten up everything. Yeah. This is one of the many fire trees that we have in the yard here. We're gonna try and save that one. But you guys are gonna hollow block everything. And I'm so thankful that we're doing it too. So we're bringing sand in now. See? Right here. Okay, so we're moving, but progress is going real well right now. They've already started with the sand and the gravel, so that's a good sign. I mean, I don't want to leave that open for too long. I know we've got 2 weeks to do it, but man, the faster we get this done, the better off I'll be. One of the other things I want to tell you guys is, and you'll see this partly in my intro and everything, but the web service here, the internet services here. Right now there's Globe, there's Smart, PLDT, and I don't know how many more are here, but for me and my money, they're all trash. And I've had all of them pretty much. So what I'm gonna do this week while these guys are working, I'm gonna hop on my scooter and I'm gonna make my way to booth 1. And for me now, guys, it's Starlink. I'm gonna go get it. As you can see my sky, I've got no obstructions in my sky at all. Pardon me for the way I'm filming that, but there's nothing blocking my signal. So Starlink is the way to go, and that's my next move. I'm gonna go get me some Starlink. You know, like I said, I could be here working at night, you know, trying to transmit data over the internet back to the US or to Canada, wherever it is that the clients are that I'm working with musically, and all of a sudden the internet just dies, it just drops. Well, with Elon Musk and Starlink, that's not gonna happen to me anymore, because the satellite is so close to the earth. It's out in orbit, but it's so close to the earth. The megabytes per second, I'm looking at anywhere from 150 to 200 megabytes per second. Even if I get 50, I'm happy, because right now, Globe, Smart, PLDT, I may get 7, maybe 10 every now and then. But what kills me is when it just decides it just wants to just drop on its own. Okay? So again, y'all stay with me. I'm excited to be doing this, and just trying to, you know, enlighten some of you guys that are planning to come here and build, get married, start a family, and you know, build your homes. One of the mistakes that I made, like I said, was going with cheap wood. Not a smart thing. But the only reason I did that was because we were in a rush. I was getting ready to travel, and I thought it would be okay. But as you can see, I'm paying for it now. Everything is all concrete for me from now on. All right, talk to you guys real soon. Peace.